So guys, let's get right into today's video, and hopefully the last 4 weeks you guys have been studying and practicing, which I doubt it, by the way, because the sun is out all around the world. Look, today we're going to be trading Tesla, guys, but I want to introduce you to my new platform, which, by the way, majority of you have seen me use a year ago, but I'm back to use it because I've actually reconnected with the private investment firm that I was using a year ago, and that's after proving to me historical payouts from my students, because I've used it before and I've actually introduced my students to it, because this private investment firm is like a funded account, but it's actually not, right? It's not like there's a challenge or limitation. So a lot of my students a year ago were using this, but I didn't continue to push it because I wanted to see that there was historical payouts, i.e. this fund actually people make money on and it actually pays out. And that made my decision a little bit easier to come back to it and use it personally as well. Now you can see my account size is not actually even available to the public. But this is going to be used specifically for stocks for me, even though this is a multi-asset platform. By the way, my stance on funded accounts does not change, just so you know. This is not a funded account. This is me trading for a private investment firm. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into it. You'll find details on this in the description. Look, we're going to be trading Tesla. A lot of you know, by the way, ignore the level 2 here on the right. Even though it's a good feature, I'm not using it. I'm just old school, guys. I'm using candlesticks and reading the sentiment of the market. And this is a one trade a day trading strategy, which, by the way, if you don't do your analysis on the weekend, you can always come on the day and just trade the volatility, which is what this video is about. But I'll introduce more strategies here on this channel, which is why you should smash that like button and let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials, because I'm back to make more tutorials for you here on YouTube for stocks only. Look, Tesla is pushing. Now, if we were trading futures, we would say this is the resistance, correct? Right here, the body of this red candle. But this is stocks. With stocks, it could push past this to this level right here, which is 260. And because of that actual thinking, I'm going to consider a long position with a stop loss of 150, which is $1.50, and I'll take $1 from this. So we can go here with a buy position because this candle is pushing, and it's going to push to this level before pulling back down again. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, is trade in this momentum. So we're going to go with the buy position. Now you can see my stop loss was instantly put in place. Okay, now we're up instantly. But I'm not scalping here. I'm actually trading for a 15-minute period. Now, this trade can be 15 minutes, and some trades, it could take me an hour or even the whole day to close. But because I understand this behavior of the market, I'm only going to go for $1 because I understand it can go to 259. My entry was 257.90, okay? Which I'll be out by 259, by the way. So we'll be shy of $500 for this specific trade. Although this is not the perfect trade because it is halfway through, I actually know this trade is going to go back to this level of 253 after I close it. So this is going to be a quick one, okay? There goes 500. Beautiful. And now I'm going to consider the short position, except this time I'm actually going to lower my position size. By the way, this is not a demo account. This is an actual live trading account. And I give them the 15%. I just got a delivery here. And I want to explain to you what a funded account is, or what this platform is. Now, my stance on funded account does not change. 99% of this industry is pure garbage. Because you got to understand, they're there to make money. This is a private investment firm, which means I'm trading their accounts, and they're only taking educated traders on. So traders that come through an educational academy, which is me, Monopoly Trading School, guys. And my traders are good traders, by the way. They just sometimes fall into traps when it comes to extreme leverage, which, by the way, this platform doesn't have. I'm going to show you what I bought today. Just a second. It's a pretty nice painting. Son of a... Voila. Beautiful, eh? I like it. Maybe I'll put it somewhere close. Let's see, does it fit here? I don't know. But yeah, high quality this is. All right. Pretty nice. All right. I'll keep it here as a reminder. You request your payout after achieving a $400 profit on the account for specific packages that you purchase, by the way. So that's it. That's the trade, guys. I'll see you for more videos on this channel. I just want to introduce myself back to you, because I'm going to be back to trade in stocks, and I'm going to use this specific account here on YouTube. This is a live account. This is not a demo, guys. But it feels like a demo when I'm trading it, because there's absolutely no emotions. But I'm very careful of the max loss that I can take on this account. Because when I bought it, it's not cheap, especially given the account size. For the big trades I have, they're going to go directly to IG. So I'm going to be trading up with IG for the big trades, the trades that I doubt I can fulfill on this platform, because I haven't tried. But the big trades where I'm looking for the 20,000 trades, basically after hours with earner reports, I'll probably be using IG. But this is a handy tool for those with small trading accounts who lean towards trading leverage. But one thing for sure, there's no leverage here. This is just the capital you have, and you're free to do whatever you want, which is why I believe this platform gives you a fair shot at making it. And remember, this is not a funded provider, right? This is not a funded account, because a funded account means something else. It means anybody can do. Okay, guys, that's me done. I'll see you very soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Smashy if you want more. And I'll see you next time, as always. I know this was a quick trade, quick video, but this was just me to come back here on YouTube and tell you I'm back.